Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Shake your body like a belly dancer.
Let's start. First, open Capcut. Go to New Project and select your video. Now turn off the video volume. Select Format 916. Now delete the end part. Now go to speed and slow down the video to 0.6x. Now export this video. Now go to New Project again and select the exported video. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now tap on audio, go to match cut and add beats. Now delete the extra part of the video. And delete the end part too. Now make a split at the beats points. Now tap on the splits part of the video. Go to speed then curve. Now slide left and tap on flash in. Now adjust last two points of graphs to 0.5 and 0.4x. Make the same graph for all splits parts of the video. Now check your video. Now come to the end of first part of video. Now go to overlay and then to stock video and add white screen. Now adjust white screen to full screen. Now go to slice and tap on overlay. And set the opacity to 50. Now make a split and delete the extra part of white screen. Now set duration of white screen to 0.2 second. Now tap on white screen again and make a copy. Now place this under the starting of second split. Now make a copy again and repeat the same process for all splits. Now check the video. Now apply blur effects. Go to effects and then video effects. Then tap on basic, slide down and tap on blur effect. Now apply this effect till the end of first clip. Check your video. Now choose resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.